Are you struggling to understand conversations in your target language? This video will improve your listening skills using practice dialogues. How do you know if your language skills are improving? Our team of teachers have designed a free quiz to determine your actual learning level. So click the link in the description to get your free assessment and unlock lessons that are right for you. In this lesson, you'll listen to a dialogue with the text. Second, you'll review the key vocabulary, followed by the English translations. And finally, you'll review the dialogue with the text again to master what you learned. First, listen to the dialogue with the text on the screen.
Wow. Så du Niels?
Ja, han var ikke til at genkende.
Han lignede en, der havde trænet meget.
Han så godt ud. Han havde også fået en ny stil, ikke?
Jo, for det gamle tøj var vel blevet for stort.
Jakken så dyr ud.
Og det gjorde skjorten også.
Det er sikkert konens værk.
Now you will hear the key vocabulary, followed by the English translation.
Sikkert.
Probably. Surely.
Wow.
Wow.
At træne.
To work out. To train. To exercise.
Kone.
Wife.
Ikke.
Not.
At ligne.
To look like. To resemble.
At se.
To see. To look. To watch.
At se ud.
To look.
Jo.
Yes.
Kone.
Wife.
Finally, let's review the dialogue again. See if you can understand more this time.
Wow. Så du Niels?
Ja, han var ikke til at genkende.
Han lignede en, der havde trænet meget.
Han så godt ud. Han havde også fået en ny stil, ikke?
Jo, for det gamle tøj var vel blevet for stort.
Jakken så dyr ud.
Og det gjorde skjorten også.
Det er sikkert konens værk.
This is the end of the lesson. In this lesson, you improved your listening and mastered key vocabulary for everyday life conversation. Don't forget to click the link in the description to get your free assessment and unlock lessons that are right for your learning level. Keep practicing and move on to the next lesson.